Hey guys, in this video we will see how to set up a virtual environment for Python development in Linux. First of all, we have to install the pip package manager. So type in a command in the terminal sudo apt-get install python free-pip. It will install the pip package manager. Don't forget to mention the Python 3 as we are installing the pip package manager for Python 3. Now call the pip by type in pip3 install virtualenv. Virtualenv is the package which we're gonna use to set up virtual environment. After installing the virtualenv, type in the command virtualenv-p/user/bin, the name of the Python version if I'm using Python 3 over here, Python 3 and name of the folder. Here I'm typing himnv. As you can see, a folder called himnv has been created. Now to activate the virtual environment, you have to type in the command source name of the folder /bin/activate. As you can see, the himnv is appeared in parentheses before my computer name. This shows that our virtual environment has been activated. Now you can simply use pip list to enlist the packages you have installed in that virtual environment. It will recall the packages installed in that virtual environment. To deactivate the virtual environment, simply type in deactivate. Now if you want to list the packages installed in your machine, you have to ensure that you will be using pip3 out of the virtual environment. Inside virtual environment, you can simply use pip to install packages, but if you are using pip out of the virtual environment, you have to mention free for Python 3. Otherwise, it will throw an error. So these are all the packages which I have installed or on my main machine.